Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Lay the framed door panel on your work surface with the back of the door frame facing upward. Add a thin layer of wood glue to the joint grooves on the back of the frame. Locate the front left and right side panels of your cabinet box and insert them into the grooves of the frame with the notched corners facing downward. Align the 137-degree brackets at the top and bottom of the frame and use your drill and screws to fasten them to the frame and side panels. With the joint groove facing upward and towards the back of the cabinet box, insert the notched side of the bottom panel into the grooves at the bottom of your door frame. Make sure that it's properly seated and aligned before using your spot nail gun to secure it. Note: we recommend always wearing safety glasses when using nail guns or other pneumatic tools. Locate the back left and right side panels. Insert the back right panel with the shelf support and side joint groove towards the back of the cabinet box. Use your rubber mallet to gently tap and align the panels to eliminate any gaps. Make sure the panel is correctly seated before using your spot nail gun to secure it to the front side panel. Insert the back left panel with the side joint groove towards the back of the cabinet box. Make sure the bottom panel is correctly seated within the joint groove. Align with the front side panel before using your narrow crown gun to secure it. Use your drill to install the screws provided into the pre-drilled holes connecting the bottom and back side panels. Locate your back center panel. With the pre-drilled holes at the top, slide it into the grooves of the side and bottom panels. Locate the top front and back support panels. Use your drill and screws provided to connect the back support panel to all back panels. Set the cabinet box upright to install the front support panel. Align the notched side with the door frame and use your spot nail gun to fasten it to the front side panels. Locate your L-shaped corner brackets. Use your drill and screws provided to attach the brackets to the top corners of the front and back side panels. Lay your cabinet box on its back and locate the toe kick and toe kick supports. Use your drill and screws provided to attach the toe kick supports to the bottom of the front side panels. Properly align the toe kick with the supports and drill into place. Sit the cabinet box upright and set aside. Locate the flat swivels, tray holders, and round wooden trays. Lay the tray holders on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Adjust the flat swivel to align with the pre-drilled holes on the center of the tray holder. Use your drill and screws to attach on all four corners. Lay the round wooden tray upside down on your work surface. Flip the tray holder upside down, aligning the other side of the flat swivel with the pre-drilled holes in the center of the round wooden tray. Use your drill and screws while rotating the tray holder to attach it on all sides. Repeat this step for the second wooden tray. Insert the bottom tray at an angle into the cabinet box and attach both ends to the bottom panel with your drill and screws. Insert the top tray at an angle into the cabinet box. Align with the pre-drilled holes on the shelf supports and use your drill and screws to attach both ends. Attach the rubber bumpers to the front corners of your cabinet door. Check the alignment of your doors and adjust the hinges as needed to ensure proper alignment. Congratulations on completing your assembly.